Hello everyone, season's greetings to you all. Welcome to the discussion of this paper. Okay, the first question, let R be the relation in the set 1, 2, 3, 4. R is given in this way. We have to check whether this is reflexive symmetric. What's the condition for reflexive? The condition for reflexive 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 1, 1, there is 1, 1, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 4, 4. So it is reflexive. So reflexive. Right. Now 1, 2 is there. Then 2, 1 is also there. Is there 2, 1? No, 2, 1 is not there. So it is not symmetric. It is not symmetric. So where is it? Reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric. Look at this. So the answer is the second one. Right? Transitive you can easily check. So A comma B should imply B comma A. All right. That is for symmetry. 1, 2 is there, it is present. There is no 2 comma 1. Therefore, the answer is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Transitive means 1, 2 and 2. You please check it up. And 3, 2 and. So this is, okay. We'll move on to the next question then. So this is the next. Tan of sine inverse x is equal to. Now this is the question. Inverse trigonometry inside a trigonometry. Method keep in mind. Inverse trigonometry inside a trigonometry. Put the inverse trigonometry is equal to t. Put inverse. That is sine inverse x is equal to theta. Therefore x is equal to sine theta. Immediately draw a triangle. Therefore this is theta. Opposite side is x. X means x by 1. Hypotenuse is 1. Therefore, this is root over 1 minus x square. Now, I have taken this sine inverse x as theta. Therefore, your question is what there? Tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. X divided by root of 1 minus x square. This is Pythagoras theorem we applied. So, x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Your answer. Right. We will move on to the next one. Yes. A is a matrix, square matrix of order n. Then determinant of Ka is equal to k raised to n into determinant of A. So A is a square matrix of order n, determinant of Ka. So in matrix multiplication, we multiply every row by k. But when you take it as a determinant, we will take 1k from one row. One row ilana one k edukkum. And k raised to n into A. So that's your answer. We'll move on to the next question then. Okay. At the point x equal to 1, the function fx is equal to this is continuous or. So the easiest method, you just check it. Look, you just draw a number line. Okay. This is 1 to infinity. So 1 is the partitioning point. I say critical point. 1 to infinity after, that is, it is x cube minus 1. And minus infinity to, this is minus infinity, we say infinity. Minus infinity to 1, it is x minus 1. This is the function. We want to check whether it is continuous or discontinuous, that is, or differentiable. Now, for that purpose, the easiest one is this. You just substitute 1 in the left side. So, that is called a left limit. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Right limit, you substitute x equal to 1 on the right side. That is 1 cube minus 1, that is 0. Left limit is equal to right limit. That is equal to f of 1. 1 is included in the second one, that is 0. So, it is continuous. It is continuous. Continuous. So, discontinuous. This is striked out. This also striked out. Continuous and differentiable. Continuous and not differentiable. How do we find out very quickly differentiable? Look at this secret. You differentiate this function. So, that is differentiate. It is 1. Differentiate this function 3x square. You substitute x is equal to 1. So, left derivative is equal to 1. Right derivative is equal to 3 into 1 square. That is 3. So, what's the conclusion? Left derivative not equal to right derivative. Therefore, it is not differentiable. So, what's the final answer? Answer is this. It is continuous but not differentiable. That is continuous but not differentiable. Okay. On to the next question then. Continuous but not differentiable. Well, if y is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, that means y is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Whenever you get no conditions are given, so that is we take it in the principal value branch. Okay, 4 cos inverse for 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So it's very clear that we have to put what there, x is equal to cos theta. Then 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, that is equal to cos of 3 theta, cos of 3 theta. Okay, cos of 3 theta. This is a formula for cos of 3 theta. Now this question y will become what there then? Cos inverse of cos of 3 theta. What is cos inverse 3 theta? 3 theta. Provided 3 theta lies between 0 to pi. Nothing is mentioned, so you need not worry about it. What is theta here? X is cos theta. Theta will be cos inverse of x. Therefore, this is 3 cos inverse x. What do you want? You want dy by dx. Therefore, your dy by dx will be equal to 3 into derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So, minus 3 divided by root of 1 minus x square. We will move on to the next question. The interval in which it is decreasing. What's the condition for decreasing? Your f dash x is less than 0. Find out. So, what is your f dash x? Your f dash x is 2 into derivative of x cube, 6x square, minus 30x plus 36. Agreed. So, this is equal to 6 into x square minus 5x plus 6. How do you simplify? I mean factorize it. 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Isn't it? X minus 2 into. Now, for decreasing, f dash x is less than 0. That means 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. What's the answer? 2 less than x less than 3. Decreasing. 2 less than x less than 3 means 2 to 3. Open interval 2 to 3. Because ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, quadratic inequation where a is greater than 0, the answer will lie between the roots alpha less than x less than beta, where alpha is the smallest root there then. Very quickly you can write, otherwise you can use that inequation. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Find the value of c in the mean value theorem, means Lagrange's mean value theorem. So what is f of x here? F of x is x cube plus x. What's the interval? That is 1, 2, where a to b. So your a is 1, b is 2. What is Lagrange's mean value? Now we will calculate f dash x also. It's a polynomial, it is continuous and differentiable. Lagrange's mean value theorem can be applied. So f dash x, what is f dash x? 3x square plus 1. What is Lagrange's mean value theorem? F dash x is equal to fb minus f of a divided by b minus a. F of b means f of 2, f of a means f of 1. Therefore, f of b, what is f dash c we take? I take x only. So, it is 3x square plus 1, f dash x is equal to fb. fb means f of 2, minus f of 1 divided by 2 minus 1. This will be 3x square plus 1 equal to f of 2. What is f of 2? Substitute over here, 8 plus 2, 10. Minus f of 1. f of 1 means 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided by 2 minus 1, b minus a. This is b minus a. Okay, that is calculated. This will be 8 only. 3x square is equal to 7. 8 minus 1, x square is equal to 7 divided by 3. Therefore, you get x is equal to plus or minus root over 7 by 3. Remember, this x should lie in the given interval. Given interval is 1 to 2. This is 1, 2. 1 to 2 interval, isn't it? So, your value will be positive. Therefore, here the value x is equal to root over 7 by 3 minus root 7 by 3 is inadmissible. So, the value is root over 7 by 3. Okay, we'll move on to the next. So, this is integration. Now, what I say is this, you just see the integral. That's a general principle. ഇൻ്റഗ്രേഷനിൽ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കിട്ടിയാൽ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ ആദ്യം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ജസ്റ്റ് ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് യുവർ വിഷമം. അതിനകത്തെ വിഷമം എന്താണെന്ന് നോക്കുക. പുട്ട് വിഷമം ഇസ് ഇക്വൽ ടു ടി, ദ പ്രോബ്ലം വിൽ ബി സോൾവ്. ലുക്ക് 1 നോ വിഷമം, x, okay, e raised to x, it's all right. Sine square, all right. Sine square of x, all right. Sine square of x e raised to x, oh, that is unusual. Sine square of x e raised to x. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വിഷമാരാ x e raised to x. So method is there. What do? Put x e raised to x is equal to t. You differentiate x into e raised to x plus e raised to x into 1 of dx is equal to dt. Therefore, e raised to x into 1 plus x dx is equal to dt. Look at that. Numerator is replaced by dt. So your integral become I. This is equal to dt divided by what there? Sine square of t. What is 1 by sine square? Integral of cosec square t dt with respect to t. That's a straight formula. Minus cot t, minus cot of t. What is t? Put it back, plus c. That is minus cot of x e raised to x plus c. Okay. Minus cot of x e raised to x plus c. That's the fourth one. Well, so observe the question, then find it out what is the difficult one over there then or unusual one there, take it and substitute. You will get the answer. Question number 9. 1 divided by second degree. So complete the square. That's the method here. Means your x square plus 4x plus 13, that is to be expressed as a perfect square in x plus or minus constant. Completing the square, x plus 2 the whole square minus 2 into square 4 plus 13. So that will be x plus 2 the whole square plus 9. Now look at your I. Your I will be integral dx divided by x plus 2 the whole square plus 9. 9 I write 3 square. Okay. So we have 1 by a, 1 upon x square plus a square. Okay. Our formula. So 1 by a, 1 by 3 tan inverse x by a. What is x? X plus 2 by 3 plus c. So 1 by 3 tan inverse x plus. So this is your answer. We'll move on to the next. Area bounded by y square is equal to 8x and the line y is equal to 2x. What is y square is equal to 8x? That's a parabola opening towards the right side. This is parabola opening. Y square is equal to 8x. And what is y is equal to 2x? That's a straight line passing through the origin. So definitely this is the region. Now, what's the method of finding out? So, if two curves are intersecting, from the point of intersection, drop perpendicular to the x-axis. Okay, we drop the perpendicular to the x-axis. Already one is this is done. How do we get this one? Solve the two. That means y square is equal to 8x and y is equal to 2x. We solve. That means 4x square equal to 8x. What does it imply? X is equal to 0. 1 4 we cancel 2. 1x means n. Then x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So this point is 2. What's the area? Required area is equal to integral 0 to 2. Means y of the parabola. You get the area up to this. Minus y of the straight line. What's y of the parabola? Root over 8x dx minus integral 0 to 2 y of the straight line. This is 2x. That is 2x dx. And you calculate. This is root 8 outside. What is root 8 to root 2? Into root x integral means x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Within the limit 0 to what there then 2 minus integral of 2x, that is x square within the limit 0 to 2. Okay. This will become 4 root 2 by 3 into this is 2 raised to 3 by 2. Okay. Minus this is 0 to 2. This will become what there? 4. That is the answer now. So, what is this? This is also 2 root 2. For 8 root 2 into root 2, that is 16 divided by 3 minus 4 there then. 16 divided by 3 minus 4, that's equal to what there? 4 divided by 3 square units. Okay, that is 4 by 3 square units. Now, I'll give you, suppose your parabola is y square is equal to ax and the line is y is equal to mx. Okay, a square is equal to this. Then this area will always be a square by 6m cube. You can remember this secret. Remember, y square is equal to ax, not 4ax. So your a here is what there, 8. Your m is equal to what there, then 2. So the answer is a square, 64, divided by 6 into what there, then m cube. M cube is 8. This 8 and 8 cancel, 8. 8 by 6. 8 by 6 is 4 by 3. So you may please remember this result also in your entrance examination. So on to the next question. The solution of the differential equation. This is really variable separable. All y together, all x together. How do we solve? Means dy divided by 1 plus y square equal to dy divided by 1 plus y square equal to dx divided by 1 plus x square. All x with the dx, all y with the dy. So this 1 plus y square is taken to the left side, dx is taken to the right side. Integral. This is tan inverse. What is this now? Integral of 1 by 1 plus y square. Tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus c. We take to this side. That is tan inverse y minus tan inverse x equal to c. Means tan inverse of y minus. What is the formula for tan inverse x minus tan inverse y? Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. So here it is tan inverse y minus tan inverse x. That is y minus x divided by 1 plus xy. That is equal to c. So this implies y minus x divided by 1 plus xy is equal to c. Okay, that's why y minus x is equal to c into 1 plus xy, your answer. We'll move on to the next question. The integrating factor of this differential equation. What is linear equation? dy by dx into x log x plus y equal to 2 log x. Now the differential equation should be dy by dx plus y into function of x. So we divide throughout by x log x. So this is y divided by x log x. Now this is dy by dx plus y into 1 by x log x is equal to 2 log x divided by x log x. Okay, right side. We want only integrating factor. What's the integrating factor? That is e to the power integral p dx 1 by x log x. That is e to the power integral coefficient of x dx. Now how do you write this one? E to the power integral 1 by x divided by log x. You know, 1 by 2 into 3, you can write it as 1 by 2 divided by 3, isn't it? 1 by x log x, I write it as 1 by x divided by log x. Why do I write so? It's because f dash x by fx. So it will become e to the power logarithm of denominator, that is log x. E to the power log of log x is what there? Log x. E to the power log x means f of f dash x. Okay. So that is why e to the power log of log x is log x. So integrating factor is your log x. On to the next question. A and B are vectors such that modulus A is this, modulus B is given, A dot B is given, angle between A and B. What's the angle between A and B? Theta is equal to cos inverse A dot B divided by modulus A into modulus B. That's the formula of angle between two vectors. Two vectors here is one vector, this is the other vector A, and this is B. This angle is theta. So this theta is equal, or A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Cos theta is equal to A dot B by AB, or theta is equal to cos inverse of A dot B by AB. Well, that is cos inverse, everything. A dot B given root 6, modulus A given root 3, modulus B 2. So when you simplify, this will become a root 2 and this is cancelled, it will become root 2. So this will become cos inverse of 1 by root 2, that's equal to pi by 4. Your answer is pi by 4. On to the next question. The straight lines, the straight lines lie in the same plane. That means these two lines are coplanar. These two lines are. So what is the condition that the two lines are coplanar? Either they should be parallel or they should be intersecting. Parallel means 1, 1 minus k, k 2, 1. So it's not parallel at all. Then intersecting. What's the condition? A1 minus A2 dot B1 cross B2 is equal to 0. That means box product is equal to 0. What are your points here? Your points are first point, x, y, z. Be very careful while checking the symmetric form of straight line. X minus y is like. So the point, first point, that is vector A1, that is equal to 2, 3, 4. Vector A2, that's the point on the second one, that's 1, 4, 5. Then vector B1, direction ratios 1, 1, minus k. B2, that is k, 2, 1. So we have modulus of, that is determinant, A1 minus A2 dot B1 cross B2 equal to 0, determinant, difference of these two, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. This is called A2 minus A1 or A1 minus A2, whatever is. A1 minus A2 or this. Okay, then B1, 1, 1 minus k. Then k 2, 1 should be equal to 0. You know how to simplify this determinant, get the value of k. So this implies expand this determinant and get the value of k, please. Okay, so you will get this is 3k plus, this will be this. So that will be 3k plus k square. 3k plus k square equal to 0. When you expand, you get 3k plus k square equal to 0. That is k is equal to 0 or k is equal to minus 3. And here the answer is this, that is k is equal to minus 3. We'll move on to the next question. The shortest distance between the lines, you know how to find out the shortest distance? Exactly similar way. Shortest, what is the formula for shortest distance? A1 minus A2 dot B1 cross B2 whole divided by modulus of B1 cross B2. That's your, this is also in modulus. So you have to write, well, your A1, you write like this, systematically you write, what is your A1? 3, 8, 3. What's your A2? A2 is equal to minus 3, minus 7, 6. X minus 3 by x, y minus 8 by like, okay. Then immediately you write what is A1 minus A2. A1 minus A2, 6, 15, minus 3. Now you write B1. B1 cross B2 you calculate, that is determinant I, J, K and denominators 3, minus 1, 1. Make sure that the equation of the lines are of the form x minus x, y, z, x, y, z. It's okay, standardized. 3 minus 1, 1, then minus 3, 2, 4. You simplify. So you will be having I into minus 4 minus 2. So your B1 cross B2 will be equal to minus 6. Minus j into 12 plus, that is called minus 15. Plus k into 6 minus 3, that will be 3. Now substitute in your dot product. So shortest distance will be this dot product. That means modulus of 6 square plus 15 square plus 9 square. Actually this is minus 6 square minus 15 square, this modulus. Divide by root over modulus of B1 cross B2. That is also 6 square plus 15 square plus 9 square. That is equal to square root of. This is root, this is without root. So root over 36 plus 225 plus what there then? 9 square, 81. You get the answer. Okay. So you have the answer. On to the next question. So you get it is to root over 270. That is 3 root 30. 3 root 30. Okay. A die has 4 blank. 4 blank means nothing is written on that face. 2 faces marked this. That is, this is the die when you have like this. Okay. So this will be blank only. Here may be a 3. Here may be a 3. Rest are all blank. Like this. Then the chance of getting a total of 12 in 5 throws. You can be seeing the answer. It's a binomial distribution. So your n is equal to 5. And the probability of 3, that's really called the P. That is equal to how much probability of P means what there, then 2 out of 6. That is 1 by 3. Therefore, Q 1 minus p, that's equal to 2 by 3, means probability of a blank. Now you want the sum of chance of getting total of 12. Total of 12 means 4 dice are tossed. 4 dice are tossed means 3, all the 3. 3, 3, 3. That is total is 12. That means probability of what there, how many 3s you have, you must have 4 3s there then. That means what will be probability of x? That is NCx p raised to x into q raised to n minus x. That's the binomial distribution. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n. 5 times we have. So we must have 4 3s so that the total number of sum of the total phases will be equal to 12. So what is P4? Put x equal to 4, 5C4. So 1 by 3 raised to what there then 4 into 2 by 3 the whole raised to what there then 1 by 3. NCx p raised to x q raised to n minus x means 5 minus 4. So this is 5C4, even 5C1 you can write 1 by 3 the whole raised to 4 into 2 by 3 the whole raised to 1. Your answer 5C4, 1 by 3 raised to 4 and 2 into 2 by 3. Sum is equal to this. Okay, on to the next. So this is the function fx is equal to x square. Injective, surjective. You know the graph of fx is equal to x square. It's a parabola opening upwards. Alright, it's a U-shaped graph. U-shaped graph in the sense means this image, this is, for example, this is say 2 or 1. Let's say take it as 1. And look, when x is equal to 1, this is 1 comma 1. The image of 1 is 1. Image of minus 1 is also 1. Therefore, this is a many 1 mapping. Many 1 means not 1 1, not 1 1. Means not injective. So it is not injective we got. Is it surjective? Because your domain is a set of real numbers, range is also set of real numbers, and there is no number like when you take this is minus 1, 0, 1, etc. Here also minus 1, 0, 1, etc. Your function is x square, and the square of every negative will go toward there then positive. Therefore, there is no negative number which has got a pre-image. Therefore, it is not onto, it is into mapping. So, it's neither injective nor surjective. Neither injective. So, all U-shaped graph, that will be many 1, not injective. That's a neither injective nor surjective. Reason, f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 equal to 1. So, that is not 1 1. Next, means minus 1 does not have any pre-image. If there is at least one element in the codomain which doesn't have any pre-image in the domain. So, codomain here is set of real numbers. So, minus 1 doesn't have this. So, it is not onto. Not onto, not 1 1. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. This is f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Then f of fx. We'll calculate f of fx there then. You know the secret. You should check this type of ax plus b divided by cx plus d, isn't it? Coefficient of x in the numerator is equal to negative of the constant of the denominator. Then your fx will be same as f inverse x. That means here your fx will be equal to f inverse of x. Therefore, f o f will always be x. Without solving, your answer is 1. I said coefficient of x in the numerator is negative of the constant of the denominator. Then your fx. Otherwise, how do you solve? Solve like this. F o f. That is f of fx. F of fx means replace every x of fx by fx. So it will become 4 times f of x plus 3 divided by 6 times f of x minus 4. Now you substitute for fx, simplify, you will get that as x. Okay. And remember the secret what I taught you. Well, on to the next question. So this is f and g are functions defined, fx is this, then the values of x for which g of fx. Okay, we will solve this. We'll solve this. We want g of f of x equal to 10. That's why. So g of f of x means every x of gx should be replaced by f of x. That means this is g of f of x. For fx the whole square plus 1 equal to 10. That means fx the whole square equal to 9. What is fx here? X minus 3. X minus 3 the whole square equal to 9. See, least number of steps I take. So it is x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus root 9. That is x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 6 or 0. You have 0, 6. Your answer. On to the next question. Question 20. Sin inverse x equal to pi by 5, then cos inverse x is equal to. Okay. That's your question. What's the relationship between sin inverse x? We know cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So you are given sin inverse x. It is pi by 2 minus pi by 5. That is 5 pi minus 2 pi, 3 pi by 5. Your answer. 3 pi by sin inverse x. Okay, 3 pi by 10, sorry. That's my calculation error. LCM 5 pi minus 2 pi by 2 into this. That is your 10. 3 pi by 10. Your answer. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. Okay. Next question. That is question 21. Well, we'll calculate. Listen. Now you have tan inverse x equal to pi by 4 minus this. So the easiest method, look. This is tan inverse x is equal to. This pi by 4 I write it as tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse of 1 by 3. This pi by 4 means tan inverse 1. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. So this is equal to tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 1 minus 1 by 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by 3. Both the sides tan inverse. Take tan on both sides. So your x will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 is what? 2 by 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3, 4 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 2. Your answer 1 by 2. Ready? On to the next question. That is cos inverse half. That you can easily solve without my help at all. Cos inverse half. What is cos inverse half? Pi by 3, 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, cos inverse half plus 2 into sin inverse half, sin 30 degrees half. That is pi by 6. So this question is equal to pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 6. That means 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is your answer. That is this. Okay. Well, on to the next. So that's a determinant question. Right. This is the question. Well, what do? You can take an alpha from the first row. Look, there is one alpha, another alpha, alpha. So I take this delta will be equal to alpha I have taken. Okay. If I do take alpha, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. In question paper itself, you should solve so. Similarly, I can take a beta from the second row. Beta, beta. Okay. Then a gamma from the third row. Gamma. Okay. Then you see, there is alpha in the first column. Again, I take what they are alpha. So then I do write the determinant. Alpha, if I take, there is a minus 1, here is 1, here is 1. Then a beta from the second, that is alpha beta. That is 1, minus 1, 1. Then a gamma from the third column, remember. That is 1, 1, minus 1. And you simplify this. Either you can just add this one. So this will become alpha, beta, gamma, the whole square into. If I do ask these two, that is adding to C1, C1 plus C2. Or you can expand, nothing wrong. This will become, this is 0, this also 0, this is 2. Enough. Then 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Expand through the first column. 2 into 1 minus minus 1. So it will become 4 times alpha square, beta square, gamma square. Your answer 4 times alpha square, beta square, gamma square. There is one more method that you can try. Your options, look at the options which we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Options 4 alpha square beta square gamma square, 2 alpha beta, 2 alpha square beta square gamma square, alpha square beta square gamma square. Suppose I put alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1, gamma is equal to minus 1. All options will give you different values. So you can just substitute there, evaluate the one which option also you can. A reverse engineering process. Okay. On to the next. Look, if the equations are consistent, now look, there are two variables and three equations. Cramer's rule means number of equations is equal to number of variables. Matrix method, Cramer's rule, whatsoever be. So this is consistent. Actually, this geometrical meaning, there are three lines which must have a solution, means they must be concurrent. Concurrent means passing to the same point. What do? Take two equations, solve, substitute in the second equation, you get the value. And these two are independent of A. Therefore, x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Solve for it. How we will multiply? This is 2, this will become 4, this will become 6. We subtract y plus 1 equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. When y is equal to minus 1, your x is what there then? Minus 1. So x is also minus 1. So you got the solution minus 1 comma minus 1. Why don't you substitute in the third one? It is to be satisfied. That is ax plus by plus 8 is equal to 0. X equal to minus. So minus a minus b plus 8 is equal to 0. This means your a plus b is equal to 8. Your answer. Then what is a plus b? It is 8. Your answer. On to the next question. Okay. Matrix second order matrix plus second order matrix equal to this equality there. Then you can. We will add, what do you get there? X, first thing, when you add these two, x square plus 2x is equal to minus 1. Nowhere else there is no other x square plus 2x. What is this? X square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. It's a perfect square. X plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. That means equal root. X is equal to minus 1. Your answer. X is equal to minus 1. We move on to the next question. That is 26. Look at this. What do you want? You want A is given, B is given. So our question is B inverse into A inverse, the whole raised to inverse, whole inverse. So there is reversal law. Who have got reversal law? Transpose, adjoin, inverse. What is reversal law? A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Similarly, AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is called reversal law. So reversal law for inverse, transpose, adjoint. Remember that. So tell me, it is A inverse inverse into B inverse inverse. What is A inverse inverse? Nothing but AB. So we are asked to find out AB. No need of finding out A inverse, no need of finding out B inverse. So what is AB? AB is 2, 2, minus 3, 2, into 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. So you multiply RC. So row to column, this will be 2 into 0, you know, 0, plus 0 plus 2. Next is minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 plus 0. 2 comma minus 2 is the first one. 2 comma minus 2. I think this is enough. You have solved. You got your answer. Anyway, you multiply. This is 0 plus 2. Next will become 3 plus 0. So 2 minus 2, 2, 3. Correct answer. That is it. We will move on to the next. So A is a matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. B is a matrix. That is what they are then. 3 by 2 matrix. Then AB. We calculate AB. Come on. A into B is equal to matrix iota 0 minus iota 0 minus iota iota minus iota iota 0 into minus iota iota 0 0 iota minus iota. Definitely in this iota is root of minus 1. That should be mentioned because you know it's a complex number. That should have been mentioned over here. Sorry. Okay, so iota is equal to root of minus 1. So we open the bracket. So how do you open the bracket? How do you multiply? Row to column. That's the way to multiplication. So it will become iota into minus iota, that is minus iota square, plus 0, minus iota square plus 0, then minus iota square. Oh, this will become minus iota square is 1. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 1 plus 1, 2 means that is this. Okay, nowhere else there then. Your answer. Then you may think that this one. Okay, this is order of the first matrix, that is 3 by 3. Order of the second matrix, that is 3 by 2. Number of columns of the first is equal to number of rows of the second. Therefore, the product will have order 3 by 2. This is the 3 by 2 matrix. This is not 3 by 2 matrix. So that cannot be the answer there. This also cannot be the answer. These two. And I have calculated. Minus iota square is 1. Then again minus iota square 1 plus 1, 2. Your answer completed. Okay, without solving completely. You know how to multiply. I don't waste your time. On to the next question. This is another very important question you keep in your mind. This type of matrix equation. How do you solve? You will find out a square, you will find out, isn't it? But that is not the way to solve this question. So I'll solve it quickly. So what we have, we are applying the matrix equation. That is really called the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So determinant. From the leading diagonal, you subtract matrix A, that is 1 minus A, 3, 3, 4 minus A equal to 0. If it is a third order matrix, same thing. From the leading diagonal, 1 minus A, 3, no change, 3, no change, 4 minus A. Open. 1 minus A into 4 minus A minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. Open the bracket. When you open the bracket, this will be a square, then minus 4a, minus 5a, then plus what there, then plus 4, minus 9 equal to 0. Actually, matrix equation will be a square, minus 5a, minus 5i. Don't forget that. I means I2. This is second order, so it's I2. That will be the equation. Now look at your question. Your question is this. A square, okay, minus ka, minus 5. So your k is equal to 5. Minus ka, minus 5a. Minus ka is equal to minus 5a, k is equal to 5. And minus 5i2, minus 5i2. I have not found out a square. So this is k is equal to 5. On to the next. Ready? Well, read the question. A is equal to matrix, A square is an identity matrix. So what will be your A square? Your A square should be 1, 0, 0, 1. Fine. So your A square means matrix x1, 1, 0 into matrix x1, 1, 0. Okay. RC. That means row to column. X square plus 1 should be equal to 1. That is x square equal to 0. X is equal to 0. That's the answer. So the value of x is out. You need not find out a square completely. So first row, first column, x square plus 1. X square plus 1 is equal to 1. So x square is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Okay. Move on to the next. This is the question. Fx is, look, Fx is equal to 3x minus 4. That's, as I discussed in the beginning, you can easily calculate that. How do we calculate? We draw a number line immediately. And this is 0 to, this is 0, then 2, then 3. We have this interval, 0 to 2, 3x minus 4. And 2 to 3, 2x plus lambda. Sorry, 2x plus lambda. This is continuous at x is equal to 2. That is this point, it is continuous. Means left limit should be equal to right limit. That is equal to f of 2. 2 is included. No, don't worry. Left limit, I told you the secret. Say, put x is equal to 2. If you cannot substitute, take the limit. That's all. So this is 3 into 2. That is 3 into 2 minus 4. Should be equal to 2 into 2 plus lambda. 6 minus 4, 2 equal to 4 plus lambda. So what will be your lambda? Minus 2. Your lambda is equal to minus 2. Where is minus 2? That's your answer. Okay. On to the next. Your 31st question. Same thing, same procedure you have to apply here as I told you. Come on, write along with me. That is 0 to 1, we immediately draw a number line. Agreed? 0, that means this point is 0. Now this is 1, then 1 to 2, right? 2 to 3, right? Now 0 to 1, e raised to x is the function. 1 to 2, 2 minus e raised to x minus 1 is the function. 2 to 3, x minus e is the function. So we have to check. So left limit we calculate solely, left limit. So at 1, what's the left limit here? E raised to 1. What's the right limit there? 2 minus e raised to 0. 1 minus 1. E raised to 0 is 1, that is 1. So left limit is e, right limit is 1. Left limit not equal to right limit is not continuous. So it is not discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Discontinuous. Discontinuous at 1, here or this guy, but this I do not know. We didn't check it. Now, well, we will check now. That is at 2. What's the left limit at 2? 2 minus e raised to 2 minus 1. That is equal to 2 minus e. Right limit, right function, 2 minus e. Oh, both are equal. So left limit is equal to right limit. So it is yes, continuous. So it is discontinuous at 1 and continuous at 2. Your answer is 2. Because we don't have time to find out the left limit, right limit, etc. while writing your entrance examination. Okay. This is really a trigonometric question. If you think you might have studied. Also, it's a calculus question also. Okay. But anyway, I apply trigonometry condition here. That is easiest one. You remember, your f of x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Cos and sin can be anywhere, plus minus can be anywhere. What's the maximum value? Maximum value will be plus root of a square plus b square. It's ridiculous. There is no need of writing what they are then, plus sign before the square root in real numbers. It's always plus. And the minimum value will be equal to minus root of a square plus b square. And the question is solved. You want minimum value. Your a is equal to, what's your a? 1. What's your b? That's also 1. What will be the minimum value here? That is minus root of 1 square plus 1 square. That is equal to minus root 2. You can also show by f dash x equal to 0. Then you find f double dash x. Show that f double dash will be positive for minimum. That is minus root 2 is this. That's your answer. On to the next question. This is a very important question. Keep in mind the equation of the tangent to the curve is, you should remember, y is equal to b into e to the power minus x by a. Remember this curve, it crosses the y-axis. The equation of the tangent will be your intercept form of the straight line, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So if you can keep it in your memory, it's fine. X by a plus y by b. This will be the answer. I didn't solve, I'll solve. Where it crosses the y-axis. This question can also be asked in this way. The line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 touches the curve y is equal to b into e raised to minus x by a at the point where it crosses the y-axis. That way also it is. It's a very good question. So remember, it crosses y-axis means x is equal to 0. First you substitute. So y is equal to b into e raised to 0. That is equal to b. Therefore, the point will be equal to 0, comma b. That means your curve crosses like this or this way. This point is 0, comma b. And you want the equation of the tangent. What next? We will find out dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to b into derivative of e itself, e raised to minus x by, into derivative of minus x by a, minus 1 by a. Therefore, slope of the tangent will be equal to dy by dx at that point, which is the point 0b. That is equal to minus b by a. Now, equation of the tangent, y minus y1 means b is equal to m minus b by a into x minus 0. Okay, x only. What do? You just take this b to the left side. So it will become y by b minus 1 equal to minus x by a. Look, this transfer, you get what there? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Your answer. x by a plus y by b equal to 1. On to the next question. Okay. This is straight formula. Integral of a raised to x dx is equal to a raised to x divided by log natural a plus c. So, integral of 13 raised to x dx straight 13 raised to x divided by log natural 13 plus c. 13 raised to x, that's your answer. Okay. On to the next question. The value of another important question, you have to keep it in your mind. It can also be generalized integral 0 to a x into a minus x to the power 99 or say 2023. The answer is 1 divided by n into n plus 1. Okay, no, 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. So, this answer will become 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 100 into 101. 1 divided by 100 into 101 is where? That is this one. This will be the answer. We'll solve now. We take this integral as I. Then also by property. Which property? Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. That's the property. So, I also by property I is equal to integral 0 to 1. Replace your x by lower limit plus upper limit minus x. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. 0 plus 1 minus x means replace x by 1 minus x. So, this is 1 minus x, agreed, into 1 minus of 1 minus x to the power 99 dx. See, look how this property, this integral has become so simple now. 1 minus x into 1 minus 1, 0, x raised to 99. That is integral 0 to 1, x raised to 99 minus x raised to 100. Okay, dx. So, that is equal to x raised to 100 divided by 100 minus x raised to 101 divided by 101 within the limit 0 to 1. So, this is equal to, look, when you apply 1 by 100 minus 1 by 101, lower limit becomes 0. This is 101 minus 100, that means 1 divided by 100 into 101, which I told you 1 by 101, 0. That's your answer. So, remember, this is integral 0 to a x into a minus x to the power n. So, that you keep it in your mind, solve it. Okay, do it as a homework. Integral 0 to a x into a minus x to the power n dx. And remember that formula. On to the next question. That is integral 0 to pi by 2. It's a very important type question you should remember. Always remember this. Integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x divided by f of sin x plus f of cos x. Any function. That is 1 sin x by 1 sin x plus 1 cos x, or sin square x by sin square x plus cos square x, or sin cube x divided by sin cube x plus cos cube x, or root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x. That's a f. This is always equal to upper limit minus lower limit by 2. That is pi by 4. So, I see 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So, 1 sin x by 1 sin x plus 1 cos x. Immediately I write the answer pi by 2 minus 0 by 2. That is pi by 4. Same property. I is equal to, also I is equal to. This is taken as I, also I is equal to by property. That is integral 0 to pi by 2. You know that. That is cos x divided by cos x plus sin x dx. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Add these two. So, you get 2i will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. Integral of any constant is constant into upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0. So, 2i is equal to pi by 2, that is I is equal to pi by 4. That's the way to solve it. But remember this. Same thing with the tan x and cot x, sec x and cosec x. Okay, on to the next. This is a reduction formula. I'll just show you how to solve. In is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to 4 theta d theta, tan raised to n theta d theta. In minus 1 is 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to n minus 1. Now, how do we integrate this one? This is the method 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to n minus 2 theta into tan square theta d theta. For sin and cos, sin raised to n minus 1 into sin theta. Tan cot, you have to tan raised to n minus 2. Now you replace this tan square by sec square theta minus 1. So this is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to n minus 2 theta into sec square theta minus 1 d theta. We open the bracket. Integral 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to n minus 2 theta into sec square theta minus tan raised to n minus 2 theta. That is called in minus 2. That is integral 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to n minus 2 theta d theta. This is called in minus 2. We don't have space in the board. That's the reason. Okay, in minus 2. Well, now we have this one. This is fx raised to n into f dash x. Fx raised to n into f dash x. Okay. So we have in is equal to tan raised to n minus 1 theta divided by n minus 1 within the limit 0 to pi by 4 minus in minus 2. Fx raised to n into f dash x, derivative of tan is x square. Fx raised to n into f dash x, fx raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Tan raised to n minus 2 theta into sec square theta. Tan raised to n minus 2 plus 1 divided by n minus 2 plus 1. That is the formula. All you can substitute, put tan theta is equal to t. Okay. Upper limit tan pi by 4, 1. Lower limit tan 0, 0. So this implies in is equal to 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. Minus in minus 2. Okay. Now take it to this side. Therefore, you got a reduction formula. In plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 1. That's the general reduction formula. Now, what do you want to prove? I8 plus I6. So, you put n is equal to 8. When you put n is equal to 8, this will become I8 plus I6 is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1, 7. So, your answer 1 by 7, your answer. Okay. On to the next. Area bounded by y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4b by, do you know? 4a into 4b by 3. Remember, y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by. The area, you know, this is a parabola opening towards the right. The other one is the parabola opening this. This area will always be, keep it in your mind, 4a into 4b divided by 3. And here you have y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Your 4a is 4, area is this, 4 into 4 divided by 3, that is 16 by 3. And you know, I know that you know how to solve this question. Okay. So, the way to solve, this is y square is equal to 4x, this one, solving. What will be this point of intersection? 4a comma 4a. 4a comma 4a means here both are 4, that is 4 comma 4. Okay, from this you drop the perpendicular area. So, the required area if you want to solve, that is integral 0 to 4 upper curve. Upper curve is y square is equal to, that is root over 4x dx. Minus integral 0 to 4 the lower curve, that is y is equal to x square by 4. X square by 4. You please simplify, you will get 16 by 3. That is this 16 by 3, that is your answer. On to the next question. The order and degree of the differential equation. What is the order and degree? Order is the order of the highest order derivative. What is degree? Degree is also the degree of the highest order derivative. So, for both order and degree, you have to observe the highest order derivative. But while evaluating the degree, the degree of every derivative must be a natural number. Okay, it should be free of radical sign also. So, this is called radical sign. Can you see? This is called radical sign raised to 1 by 3. So, it should be free of this. So, what we do is this, that radical power is taken to the other side. So, it is d square y by dx square plus x raised to 1 by 4. And we don't mind whatsoever be the power of x or y. Can be radical or not. But the degree of every derivative must be a natural number. Okay. So, d square y by dx square plus x raised to 1 by 4 equal to minus dy by dx the whole raised to 1 by 3. Now clear the radical power. What do we do? Cubing both sides. So d square y by dx square plus x raised to 1 by 4, the whole cube is equal to minus dy by dx. Okay, this is second order, its degree is 3. So order is equal to 2, second order derivative, d square y by, and degree is the degree of the second order derivative, that is 3. So order is 2, d square y by dx, or dy by dx first order, d square y by dx or second order. Degree of d square y by dx square is 3. This is dy by dx. So order and degree of the differential equation are respectively 2, 3. This is your answer. Second order, third degree. Next, the solution of the differential equation. Variable, that is variable separable, you may be knowing it. Okay, this is dy by dx equal to 2 to the power y minus x. We write dy by dx is equal to 2 raised to y by 2 raised to x. Variable separable. That means the variables can be separated. So this dx should be given to this. To bring this 2 raised to y to the left side, what do you get? 2 raised to minus y dy equal to 2 raised to minus x dx. What next? We have grouped all the variables, integrate both sides. What's the integral of a raised to x? A raised to x by log a. What's the integral of a raised to minus x? A raised to minus x by minus log a. Okay, so this will become 2 raised to minus y by minus log 2 equal to 2 raised to minus x divided by minus log 2 there also plus c. Minus log 2 cancel. So you can write that answer. What is this now? This is 1 by 2 raised to y minus 1 by 2 raised to x is equal to c. And the answer can be 1 by 2 raised to x minus 1 by 2 raised to y is equal to c. That is also correct answer. Because you multiply by a minus sign, c, minus c is a constant, that's a new constant k. So 1 by 2 raised to x minus 1 by 2 raised to y is equal to k. It could have been 1 by 2 raised to y minus this. So this is your answer. On to the next. The equation of the tangent to the curve at the point this 2, 2 lies on this curve. 2, 2 lies on the curve. Ready? Why? 4 minus 8 plus 4. Then there is again what there 4. This is similar. So it lies. Lies means how do you find out? Dy by dx at the point is the slope of the curve, tangent. Okay. X square minus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. And the point is 2, 2. Let's differentiate. Differentiating. So 2x minus 2 into, product rule should be applied. X into dy by dx plus y into 1 plus 2y into dy by dx plus derivative of 2x, that is 2, plus dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. We substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Okay. This will become 4 minus 2 into, or let me open the 2 into 2 dy by dx plus 2 plus 4 dy by dx. Okay. 2y plus 2 plus dy by dx equal to 0. Right? Dy by dx equal to 0. Now open the bracket. This is minus 4 dy by dx and plus 4 dy by dx cancel. This is minus 4 and 4. This also cancel. So ultimately you got dy by dx is equal to what there? Minus 2. That's your slope. Now what's the equation of the tangent? Y minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 2. Y minus y1 is equal to equation of the tangent. Okay. That is equal to y minus 2 equal to minus 2x plus 4 or 2x plus y when you transfer minus 6 equal to 0. That's the tangent. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. That's your equation of the tangent. Okay. We'll move on to the next question, 42nd. A, this is the vector. A is equal to 3i minus 5j. B is equal to 6i plus 3j are two vectors. C is a vector such that C is A cross B. C is equal to A cross B. A cross B determinant I, J, K. Coefficient of A 3 minus 5, 0. Coefficient of B 6, 3, 0. Very easy. Expand through the third column. So what do you get there? This is k into leaving this. 9 plus what there then 30. 9 plus 30. 9 plus 30. So this is equal to 39k. Well, you want to find out modulus of A is to modulus of B is to modulus of C. Modulus of A, that is root of 9 plus 25, is to modulus of B, root of 6 square, that means 36. 36 plus what there, 3 square, 9, is to modulus of A cross B, that is 39. Okay, that is root over 34 is to root over 45 is to 39. Pick out your answer. Root 34 is to root 45 is to 39. That's your answer. On the next question, the vector is perpendicular to this vector lambda. What's the condition that two vectors are perpendicular? A dot B is equal to 0. That means A dot B equal to 0. Means A is perpendicular to B. Take the dot product. That is 2i plus j minus k dot I minus 4j minus lambda k equal to 0. Okay, so it is 2, then minus 4 plus lambda equal to 0. Your lambda is equal to 2. Minus 2 plus lambda. Lambda is equal to 2. You have A dot B is equal to 0. We'll move on to the next. Using vectors, the area of the triangle is this. We will find out area of the triangle. What is that? Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle we can calculate like this. This is our triangle A, B, C. What's the area? Half into AB cross AC. Half into vector AB cross vector AC. That's your answer. Half into AB cross AC. So I'll find out AB. What is AB? Vector AB is equal to vector OB minus vector OA. Vector AB is equal to. So how do I solve? Just listen. What you have to do is this. You just write this point as I write in the question. Say this is your question paper. Agreed? You write this 1, 2, 3. Point A below this 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3 here also. So you have your vector AB, OB minus OA, 2 minus 1. That means determinant. I do calculate this cross product, AB cross AC I calculate. So 2 minus 1. First of all, determinant is IJK. Then 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Then C, below C, 4 minus 1, that is 3. 5 minus 2, that is 3. Minus 1 minus 3, minus 4. That's your AB cross AC. You calculate. So this is I into 12 minus 3, 9. Minus J into minus 4 minus 3. That is minus 7. Minus 4 minus 3. K into 3 plus 9. That is plus K into 12. So your area delta is equal to half into root over modulus of A cross AB cross AC. Root over 9 square plus 7 square plus 12 square. That is half into root over 81 plus 49 plus 144. Okay, that's equal to half into root over 274. Okay, half into AB cross AC. Well, on to the next. The unit vector perpendicular to both. What is the formula? N cap, cross product N cap. N cap is equal to plus or minus A cross B divided by modulus of A cross B. Just now I have shown you how to calculate your A cross B. So we will calculate A cross B. That is determinant IJK. That is 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 2, 1 minus 2. Please calculate A cross B and find either plus or minus, anyone. Any unit, this is really a unit vector perpendicular to this, can be this. So this is I into 2 minus 3, say minus 1, minus j into minus 8 plus 6. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. Okay, plus k into 4 plus 2. 4 minus 2, that is plus 2k. Fine. That is minus I plus 2j plus 2k. That is n only, not n cap. Therefore, what is n cap? N cap is equal to plus or minus I plus 2j plus 2k divided by root over 1 plus 4 plus 4. That is equal to 3. That is plus or minus I plus 2j plus 2k divided by 3. So that's your answer. On to the next question. So these are the direction cosines of three-dimensional geometry. Direction cosines of a line. So what is the property? Lmn are the DCs, L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. These are the DCs of the line. Therefore, 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus N square should be equal to 1. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9 plus N square equal to 1. Means N square is equal to 1 minus, this is 9 plus 4, that is 13. So 13 divided by 36, that is 23 divided by 36. This is N square. Remember, you want to find out N. Therefore, N is equal to plus or minus root 23 by 6. You can take any one. That's one is your answer. Root 23 by this. So next, the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line joining this and the YZ plane. Remember this. So coordinates of the point. This is the point. Coordinates of the point of intersection of the line joining. This is minus 2, 4, 7. And this is 3, minus 5, 8. And this is cut by the YZ plane. What is the property of YZ plane? YZ plane means x is equal to 0. Now, you keep in your mind the secret. YZ plane divides this line joining, the segment joining these 2 points in the ratio, remember, minus x1 by x2. So, here m is to n will be minus x1 by x2. What is minus x1? That is minus of minus 2 by 3. That means 2 is to 3. That means this is. Since you know the ratio, you know how to find out the point. mx2 plus nx1 divided by, that is 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2 divided by 2 plus 3. Ratio, this is internal ratio, comma, m by 2, that is 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into 4 divided by 2 plus 3, comma, last, 2 into 8 plus 3 into 7 divided by 5. Take it out. 6 minus 6, 0. 0 is almost everywhere, isn't it? Okay, that is 0. Next, minus 10 plus 12. Minus 10 plus 12 is what there then? 2 by 5. 0, 2 by 5, your chance is there. 0, 2 by 5. Again, this is 16 plus 21. 16 plus 21 is what there? 37. So, this is the answer. Here, this minus 37. 0, 2 by 5, this. Correct. So, that's the answer. Remember, the ratio by which YZ plane divides the segment joining x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 in the ratio minus x1 by x2. YZ, which is the variable not there, x minus x1 by x2. Keep this in mind. Well, 48. A pair of dice is rolled. The probability that sum is 9 given that, oh, this is a conditional probability, sum is 9 given that 5 appeared on the first die. So, you need not consider the entire 36 sample points. Given that 5 appeared on the first die. Okay, fine. My n will be the sample space. It is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. That's all. A pair of dice is rolled. There will be 36 sample points. But it is seen that the first die has shown 5. Then the possibilities will be this. That's why it is given that conditional probability. 5 appeared on the first die. These are the possibilities. Then what do you want? You want probability of 9 given that 5 in the first die. 5 in the first die. Now, what's the sum? Sum. No, this is 6. No, no. This is 7. No. This is 8. No. This is 9. Fine. This is 10. No. This is 10. So, your answer is m by n. That is m is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is this. 1 by 6 is your answer. That is this. No need of applying A intersection B. Probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B by this. No need. On to the next. Probability of A is given. This is given. Probability of B is also given. Probability of A union B is also given. So we are given probability of A is equal to 2 by 3. Probability of B, that is equal to 1 by 2. Probability of A union B, that is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. We want to know whether these A and B are independent, mutually exclusive, etc., etc. So what's the formula you have? Probability of A union B is equal to, we know that. We know that. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So we know probability of A union B, 5 by 6. That is equal to probability of A, 2 by 3. Probability of B, 1 by 2. Minus probability of A intersection B. Well, this implies probability of A intersection B is equal to, tell me, 5 by 6. This is transferred to the left side. Therefore, this part will be there. Therefore, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 6 minus 5 by 6. That's equal to what there then? 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Why I wrote so? Because 2 by 3 is given as your PA. So I write this is probability of A into probability of B. Look at the definition. So we got probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. So what is this condition? The two events are independent. The multiplication theorem. P of A intersection B is equal to PA into PB. That is called independent. So this third option. Mutually exclusive events can never be independent. Therefore, one is out. This is impossible. Mutually exclusive events can never be independent. In no case this will be an answer. Okay. And we will move on to the last question we have. Listen. In the theory of linear programming, the objective function will attain its extrema at the endpoints of the feasible region. But if there are 2 points, this objective function attains its maximum or minimum value at 2 points, it will attain at many points, the segment joining. And that's a concept here given. So, corner points of feasible. A condition here means this maximum, this is the objective function. Z is equal to Px plus Qy is the objective function. Where condition on P and Q so that the minimum of Z occurs at 3, 0, that is this point. And so if the feasible region, one point is this is 3, 0 and 1, 1. That means your objective function should be parallel to this only. That means your objective function's slope will be equal to the slope of this segment. That's all, very simple. Slope of objective function. Somebody may ask why is it? Actually, your objective function is Px plus Qy equal to some k. That is ISO profit line or ISO whatever, extrema. ISO, same, parallel. This is 3x Px plus Qy equal to k, parallel. Therefore, slope of objective function is equal to slope of the segment. This point you should keep in your mind always. Only at one point we cannot say. At 2 points. So tell me what's the slope of the objective function? Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y minus p by q equal to, tell me the slope of this one, 1 minus 0 by 1 minus 3. Okay, that is 1 minus 0 means minus 1 by 2. Come on, cross multiply. 2p is equal to q. Where is it? 2p is equal to q. Look at this. Or p is equal to q by 2. And that's the answer. With this, we come to the end of this question papers discussion. I wish you all the best. I wish you good time for your studies. All the best. God bless. Thank you.